Alright, where are we going?
Where are we going? Should we go down or should we go up?
Up?
Down it is. Oh, down, down, down you go.
Down.
Yeah, ready? Keep going. Good thing we brought pants.
Yes.
Be very careful. Watch out.
Yeah, one stair at a time.
Wow, you're doing awesome. Yeah, you're pretty great at this stuff called going downstairs.
One more.
Excellent. Nice try. Wow, you're awesome. She's gonna get dirty again.